was on.
Hey, what's going on? Brother was helping me out. I forgot I had a neon wing in here from a 1G. He's got a 2G. He wants the wing. So,
I want the wing.
So we're going to throw that on here real quick. I don't know, like I said, it's not too big. Here's the nuts. You just toss that in there? Here, we use the stud. Just put the butt end up into the stud. You gonna measure this? Or you just eyeballing it?
I mean,
doesn't matter as long as it reads. I don't care if it's centimeters or just.
do that way.
Push it that way. I'm just holding to support it up. You can.
We good.
Right there. Give a little push down on it. You got a little scratch all.
You scratch. Just rub it. You just kind of see it. All right. Marks. That's quick.
Yeah, it might be 2 layers of metal. We might need the Christmas tree bit for the bottom one, so that way we can open it up to get the nut in there.
Wood?
Huh?
There's fucking wood in there.
You might have had something to drill bit. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Remember to go hit the front of it a little bit.
And then a 4 of it.
Oh, you measure that. I'm gonna grab a Christmas tree bit.
There's definitely wood in the truck.
Probably foam or something. I think that'll. You're like off.
Up here. Yeah. That's actually good.
Your front one over here is way off.
Oh well.
A little bit of silicone in there.
The back ones are good.
Yeah, back ones are pretty close.
Wow. You're never gonna see that whole one.
That's what I'm saying. If you silicone it in there, you're gonna have. This one might be covered up by the wing. Let's open it. Or actually, no, run your drill bit through here because we're going to have to open it up with the Christmas tree bit to get the nut in there.
Oh, sorry.
Open it. Yeah, see, this really has to open up a little bit. Show them all out. Yep. I mean, it's on there now. It's got bolted down.
Hey, Tom, fuck you.
Oh, hey, man, I got a fucking bleach it. Here's the nuts.
Oh, you got a bleach it? Oh.
Well, I'm not really monetized or anything like that, but you get 3 on there. And just like, you don't gotta like really wrench with it on there. You just gotta get it nice and snug. It doesn't go nowhere.
My wing falling off, but I'm doing fast. Beating Honda Civics.
Huh?
No.
That one off too. See these holes over here? Those are for the factory wing, because that's where the second gen is bolted up. But you might have to just notch it a little bit. There you go.
I got spray paint in my trunk already.
I need a thumbnail. Oh, the sun's fucking it up. Close the door.
Where's my booty cap?
That wing actually doesn't look bad on there.
Straight pipe it next.
Well, I mean, that's easy. I mean, if you want to be loud and obnoxious, we can do that.
Nope, I don't. The last thing I want is a fart can.
But, yeah, once you just trim that out and silicone the hole that we misdrilled, it'll work.
I was considering, why is it so heavy?
That's the only downfall, is if we go to the junkyard, we might have to find springs off of a neon that has a wing. And that way it'll make it stronger. You just pop those springs out.
I got metallic.
Actually, if you have pliers, the spring has 2 spots, it looks like. It looks like you can pull it back, what is it, at 1 notch and make it tighter. But
I'm gonna go buy black spray paint. Or find black spray paint. Empty out.
It looks decent though.
Thank you. A little quick 10-minute video.
Yeah, once I edit it down.
Make sure, remember, it's powered by Corsair.
Alright.
I want to change the badges so it says Doge.
Do it.
Don't I need a heat gun?
Yeah, but it's easier just, you could scrape them all off and go on eBay and just get a Dodge one. So you got to hit them at the end of the video and say like and subscribe till next time.
Like, subscribe, notification, do all that.
Thumbs up.
Catch you next week. Thumbs up. Thumbs down for Thomas Barrett.